right. Good morning. But I know the video will be played in the afternoon. So, good morning and welcome to Silver TV. Good afternoon also. Welcome to Silver TV. Now, Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene RTU bo ene Baba Sports Stadium. Now, quick announcement: the game has been moved to 6 p.m. Game moved to 6 p.m. Now, they're going to give you the confirmed lineup. This has been confirmed. And then it was TV. No change in the lineup. They say, there's a suggestion which I want to do it. Your comments are very, very important to me. But before I move on, God bless everybody. Everybody. I'll do a special compilation. And God bless everybody. Everybody. I know why I'm saying this. Even the text cram for text me is even enough to encourage me. Trust me. The text, I had some calls yesterday. I won't say much, but it was still enough to let me get the encouragement to move forward. Dear Dama Sepa. And like, yeah, the two men say about foreign, I'm a we'll do what you want. No foreign news. I'm telling you here, it's strictly going to be the Kotoko news and the local news. And yeah, the Bemamo, I say. Dear Dama say, I'm an phone, I'm a friend, more among the kakra to the amay and ye do be ase. Number the Suda. If you are still interested in helping, so but now would be a Christmas, I will bet me the kakra to buy it to be ase. Even just the comment on the page is enough for us. Let's move straight to the confirmed lineup. Not yet, but I'll do a special video and I'll thank everybody. But credit in Tino. Let's move on very fast. Me ball line up no street and brainy ho. Me ball line up no remember about 20 man squad no. We some ball line up maybe. I'm just giving you the lineup. That we are interested in that. Frederick Kasari is the goalkeeper. Kotoko Airbo the 3-5-2 system and na coach Ogumubo. The 3-5-2 system na coach Ogumubo. So the right wing back is Peter Aminu Akwa in jersey number 30. The left wing back is Enoch Morrison. Don't take the quiz on the bench. Based on training, now we're thinking, say, training near share, Now I said the ball all the time, but Morrison comes back and he is operating as the left wing back in the team. Don't take the quiz on the bench. Now you will get the back line remains the same. Injustice Blay, Henry Ansu, and Yusuf Nuruddin. Blay in jersey number 5, Henry Ansu in jersey number 15, and Yusuf Nuruddin in jersey number 21. This is Kotoko Echireho. The middle is still the same. In Sharif Mohammed, now when you're Brantia, your friend Babaya, and Richmond Lamte as the captain. And at the front two of Steve Mukwala. Mukwala in jersey number 9. Yes, Steve Mukwala. And jersey number 14 in Isaac Opon. This is Kotoko lineup. Lineup now Kotoko use in order not to let you spend much data here. The lineup now Kotoko use from the beginning of almost started some more channel. Sana after Legon City's match lineup now Kotoko use and no one coach use. We expected Tideku to come in for Morrison, but Morrison is still playing in the game. Ababaso and Enumre. Now let's go to the bench. The bench is still the same. Eric Zeze are returning. Obabi replacing George Infege, like we said. But Kalu Atara did not make the squad. So it's Sharif Mohammed, Eric Zeze, Michael Chejam, Nana Benyini Amwa, Dasise Poate. Yesterday, Obioshe video now was contemplating based on the training. But Poate comes in. Andrew Sintimeno, Prince Adasa John Tedekuruwaki Gavana. This is the lineup of Asante Kotoko. Confirmed lineup. And I'm there, Mamo, and I don't pay. And this is it. So we share video now. Baby is a recorded video. So with a team, your friend RTU, Baba Kushebu will be the player. People will watch out for. Maybe Hafiz Adams. The rest are mostly unknown players. Awomode Abba. So that is it. That's the Kotoko lineup. I think that is what most people are interested in. Frederick Kasari, Richmond Lamte, Sharif Mohammed, Justice Blay, Steve Mukwala, Enoch Morrison, Isaac Opon, Henry Ansu, Yusuf Nuruddin, Baba Yaya, and Peter Aminu Akwa. Now when you Sheriff Mohammed, bench Sheriff Mohammed, Eric Zeze, Michael Che Jamran, and Abenini Amu you spotted Asise. Now when you Andrew Sintimenu, Prince Anderson, John Tedeku, and a Michael Che Jamran. Thank you very much for watching this video. I told you it's going to be a snappy video. Send it Monsa Ebekan and Tem. Na mahu the air course. But once again, the cause is amazing. I said the all done some no dema. We will need be the bema, but all frail and I was it. So that was it. I will do my power here. And may I check the son quan as so my power. But number and that's here. If you want to give something, you give it out. So, and maybe share Baba Sports Stadium. Why? Maybe share. Be there. The last Kotoko game to end the first round. It's been a tough season for Kotoko. 12 season, Kotoko, starting pre-season to the season proper, it's been long. There will be a proper review of the first round, but this victory is extremely needed. You are looking at Kotoko moving to 26 points, and that will be amazing for Asante Kotoko. And next round, don't forget, in the second round, Kotoko will play more home matches than away. In the second round, Kotoko will more home matches than away, which is also an advantage as Asante Kotoko. And now gradually the team is picking up. Until here, the coach has been consistent with a starting 11. Become Chelsea, Heart to Folk, Nations FC, Olympics. It looks like a consistent starting 11 and a coach in a Kipu, and that is an advantage for Asante Kotoko team. So that is it here. Until come to the stadium, contribute something to Kotoko, and let's see how best we can push the club to success. Thank you very much. More to come. More to come.